Welcome to Calton Hill, one of Edinburgh's most breathtaking viewpoints. Sitting just a short walk from Princes Street, this historic hill is home to some of Scotland's most famous monuments. As you reach the top, you'll see the National Monument, inspired by the Parthenon in Athens, standing as a tribute to Scottish soldiers. Nearby, the Dugald Stewart Monument, one of the city's most photographed spots, offers a perfect frame of Edinburgh's skyline. From here, you can gaze at Edinburgh Castle, Arthur's Seat, and the distant Pentland Hills. Whether you're visiting at sunrise or sunset, the views from Calton Hill are truly unforgettable. Don't miss this must-see spot in Edinburgh. I filmed this stunning footage in February with my DJI Mini 4 Pro. It wasn't very crowded, just a few locals and visitors enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. Unlike the busy summer months, winter offers a quieter, more intimate experience, letting you take in the views without the crowds. Whether you visit at sunrise or sunset, the scenery here is truly unforgettable. It's a must-see spot in Edinburgh, rich in history, architecture, and panoramic beauty. If you love travel, history, and stunning aerial views, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic drone footage.